How to practice Buddhist breathing meditation. In Buddhism, meditation serves to calm and control the mind and is essential to break the cycle of suffering and attain enlightenment. Follow these steps for mindfulness of breathing meditation, one of the two simplest meditations. You will need understanding and acceptance of what you are going to do, and a place where you will not be interrupted. Optional: a meditation bench or chair, a cushion, a blanket, a timer, a meditation track on a music player, or a watch or clock. And something pleasant to gaze upon, like a plant, statue of the Buddha, or pretty vase. Step 1. Find a position in which you can sit comfortably for the meditation. You can kneel using a meditation bench, sit cross-legged on the floor, or sit upright on a chair. Use a cushion to support your back if necessary, and wrap yourself in a blanket if you'd like extra warmth. Step 2. Decide how long each of the 4 phases of the meditation will be. 5 minutes is a good length of time for beginners. Step 3. Set the timer or select a track on your music player that corresponds to the length of time you have chosen for the first phase. Step 4. To prepare yourself for the meditation, bring your awareness into the present. For a few seconds, focus your gaze on something pleasant, like a plant, statue of the Buddha, or pretty vase, to ground yourself in the present. Step 5. Close your eyes and scan your body to become fully aware of it. Begin with your toes and move slowly along your feet and up your legs, back and pelvis, through your hands and arms, and finally up to your neck and head. Step 6. Reflect on what you want to achieve from this meditation. For example, dealing with a particular source of distress or developing your meditation skills further. Step 7. Commit yourself to practicing seriously. Step 8. Keeping your eyes gently closed throughout the practice, bring your awareness to your breathing. Notice everything you can about the breath, the path of the inhalation down your throat, how your diaphragm moves and your chest rises, the slight pause before the exhalation, and how the exhalation passes out of your nostrils. To begin, take a slightly deeper breath to help you focus on your breathing. Step 9. To start the first phase of the meditation, count 1 after the first breath, 2 after the second, and so on up to 10. Then start again at 1. Do this for the planned length of time. If your mind wanders, bring it gently back to the breath and start counting again from 1. Step 10. For the second phase of meditation, count before each breath. Did you know mindfulness of breathing meditation dates all the way back to the Buddha himself, who was born in the 6th century BCE?